Hi there, welcome to my channel. Now, I love my fans so much so that I do stuff like Mega Fan Mondays, where I feature your bakes on my Instagram feed, and I absolutely love it when my fans come to my shop and I get to meet you guys. And thanks to Chromebook, today one of my fans is coming to spend the whole day with me. Are you Hannah?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Did you find us all right?
Oh yeah, been here plenty.
Great. Wow.
Oh yeah.
You kind of do look a bit familiar. Maybe I'll serve you. Right, so you might notice that there is no cakes out yet. I'm going to take you upstairs, introduce you to the guys, and you'll see what they're up to. It's tiny up there, but we can probably just squeeze in. Right, this is the teeny tiny kitchen. Everyone, this is Hannah. Hi. Hi. She's come to spend the day with me, and she's going to be looking around, seeing what you guys are up to.
It looks amazing.
Right, so I think we've got some cakes ready, so why don't we make some room for these guys? If you can just grab that one. You can do it. I believe in you.
Very nervous. I'm so nervous.
No, don't be nervous. We'll go and put this on the counter.
So much pressure.
Right, so it's close to opening time, so there's quite a lot left to be done. The counter's not completely full. Laura's here making the coffee machine work, which is great. And I always like to make sure I've got an Instagram post ready to go so that my fans know what we've got in store. And also if I'm here for the day, I like to let them know.
So we can come in.
So you can come and stalk me.
Say hello.
Okay, so Instagram's done, the guys have still got a bit to do, but we need to go back to the bakery because I've got to have a meeting and make sure everything's going on right there. Hello everyone!
Hi.
This is Hannah. She's hanging out with me for the day.
Hi, thanks for having me.
We've got a ton of stuff to do today. I've got to Instagram from here. I've got to make sure these guys have the orders for the rest of the day. I've got to do boring stuff, accounting. And I'm also going to have a Cupcake Jemma meeting, which should be fun because we're filming this afternoon. So
Wicked.
you're going to come into that. So
yeah, lots to do.
Okay, so we are back at the shop because we have to film our Cupcake Jemma video.
Cool.
And so we've got everyone, the guys are still doing a little bit of work because it's been super busy today, so they're just making up some prep for tomorrow. And I've got Nikki helping with the measuring, and Sally is setting up all the lights and the camera. Okay. Hello and welcome to the Crumbs and Doilies shop in Soho, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious pumpkin spice latte cupcake. That's a wrap. Woo! So, did you have fun?
Really nice day.
Good.
Thank you so much.
That's all right.
Really
Are you going to come back as a customer though?
Yeah.
Now that you know all the secrets.
Every day. Every day.
Oh, thanks so much for hanging out with me.
Thank you for showing me everything.
That is all good.
And all the cake. All
That's
the
all
cake.
right. You have this cake and we'll send you away with some more cake.
Amazing.
Would you like some tea?
Yeah.